Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Today we're diving deep into a critical standard that governs the world of medical device software, IEC 62304. This isn't just a technical document for developers. It is a foundational framework for ensuring the safety and effectiveness of any medical device that incorporates software. Whether you are creating standalone software as a medical device, or SaMD, or developing firmware for a physical device, understanding this standard is non-negotiable for market access in regions like the United States and the European Union. The standard requires manufacturers to assign a safety class to their software, which dictates the rigor of the entire development process. Class A is for software that cannot contribute to a hazardous situation. Class B is for software that can cause non-serious injury. And Class C is for software that can lead to death or serious injury. For example, a software that controls the radiation beam in a radiotherapy machine is unequivocally Class C. This classification directly impacts the required documentation, risk management activities, and testing intensity. The heart of IEC 62304 lies in its defined lifecycle processes. It starts with the software development plan, which serves as the master blueprint for the entire project. This is followed by software requirements analysis, a phase where many companies falter. A vague requirement, such as the user interface shall be intuitive, is a red flag for auditors. It must be specific, testable, and traceable. Once requirements are set, you move to architectural and detailed design. This is where you define the software structure. A poor architectural choice, like neglecting cybersecurity protocols in a cloud-connected device, can lead to significant vulnerabilities and regulatory rejection. Traceability is key here, linking every requirement to specific design elements and subsequently to the code itself. Then comes implementation, where the code is written. But the most scrutinized phase is often verification and validation. This involves a series of tests, from unit and integration testing to final system testing. For instance, a company developing an AI-powered diagnostic tool had to conduct extensive validation. They tested the algorithm against a curated dataset of thousands of images to prove its accuracy and reliability, documenting every step meticulously. Failure to provide this objective evidence can halt a submission in its tracks. The life cycle does not end at product release. The standard also mandates processes for software maintenance and problem resolution. You must have a system to receive feedback, evaluate risks associated with bugs or issues, and manage updates. A real-world case involved a company whose infusion pump software had a minor bug. Their problem resolution process failed to correctly assess the risk. This oversight led to a product recall after the bug caused incorrect dosages in a clinical setting. Navigating the complexities of IEC 62304, especially when targeting multiple global markets with varying interpretations, requires specialized expertise. To ensure your software meets these rigorous standards from day one, it is vital to have a robust strategy. For guidance on implementing IEC 62304 or any other aspect of your global medtech regulatory strategy, please email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit us at https:/pureglobal.com.